guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing an Empties video. So Empties related to skincare, hair care, and body care. No makeup this time, I don't know why. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. I feel like Empties videos are not as popular as they used to be, but I still enjoy watching them because I feel like you can really know if someone really enjoyed a product if the product is empty. Because we all have products that we keep around that are like half empty and we keep them anyway. But if someone has used the whole thing up, then you know that, they actually like the product. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. So first up, we have something from Vitry, which I talked about before. This is an amazing nail care line. If you have chapped, brittle nails that never grow, that break often, try something from Vitry. It's amazing. This is the Vitry Nail Care Magic Touch Nail Polish Remover. It has 0% acetone. So this is very dirty. As you can see, I have used it quite a lot. So the way this works is I usually just try to shake it up to make sure like the product is evenly distributed. You unscrew it and you put your finger inside where the sponge is here. And then you just put your finger inside and you wait a few seconds and it just like removes the nail polish. I find the best way that this works is like when my finger is in, I just kind of like wiggle the product around like this. And that helps make sure that all the nail polish comes out, or comes off, sorry. I personally love everything from Vitry. This is not like, I wanted to get their regular nail polish remover, but I think they were sold out, and this was the only thing they had in store, so like whatever, it's fine, it'll work. So this is really good, but I have to say that if you're trying to remove nail polish on your toes, this is really complicated. So next up is the Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. So this I purchased a few months ago. I used the whole thing up. I use this as a toner. It doesn't actually say toner on it. I may have been misusing this the whole time, but I was under the impression this was a toner. I use this two ways. One, just like spritzing it all over my face, or spritzing it on a cotton pad and then wiping it all over my face. This is okay. It's not amazing. I mean, you guys know that the NARS Hydrating Toner is my ride or die. That is my favorite toner in the world. I try different products just to see if I like them, but I kind of keep going back to the same ones over and over again. This one was okay. Honestly, one thing that was really weird about this is like when I would use it and just like spray it all over my face like this, there was like a lingering cloud of just like scent. I hold my breath when I would spray, and then at some point I would just breathe in, and there was always like a really thick cloud of like scent. So I would always be like almost every single time I would like end up coughing unless I like somehow spritzed and then just like walked away completely. So that was a bit weird. I mean, I use makeup setting sprays all the time and I've never experienced that before. It's only with this one that I find that there's like a weird like cloud of like scent that you have to like literally like physically walk away from. Otherwise you kind of inhale it and it's weird. Just putting that out there. So I did use the whole thing up, but I will not be repurchasing it. I mean, the packaging is cute. The whole packaging for the Herbivore company is very like millennial hipster. Like everything is like that millennial pink. So it's like kind of cool, but I don't know. It's okay. Not the best. So next up for body care, we have the Dove Deep Moisture Hydrating Body Wash. I love Dove body wash. Like, I love scented body wash, but like, I don't know, there's something about Dove that's just like, it's so hydrating and creamy and it doesn't have a scent. So you can layer on any kind of scented moisturizers or perfume and it never like clashes. So I really like this. I mean, some people might think it's basic, but like, I don't know, it's great and it keeps your skin really moisturized, so why not? Next up for body care is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Again, this is like very basic, very plain, but you know what? It works. I have the giant format here. This is 532 milliliters. I always try to get like the biggest format I can get because it just lasts forever. So this is dermatologist tested. It's fragrance free. It's just really good. I don't know, it just like moisturizes really well. I use this for my body, but also just for my hands. Like I always keep a giant bottle of this in the bathroom so I can like hydrate my hands after I wash my hands. And I don't know, some people might think this is like a really plain duo, but like it works and it keeps your skin from being really dry because especially when you use like scented body wash or scented soaps, your skin ends up being more dry because there's like alcohol in the perfume. So if you just use something like really boring and basic like this and then layer on perfume, that works too. Okay, so next up is the Clinique SPF 50 with Solar Smart UVA UVB Advanced Protection. I love it. I've been using this for several months. This is probably like the third or fourth bottle or tube that I've repurchased. I have been using sunscreen now every single day for probably close to a year. Doesn't matter rain or shine, doesn't matter if I'm sitting inside, going outside, it doesn't matter. I wear sunscreen every single day. I just think it's a really good habit to start and to start young because the sun is so incredibly damaging. Not only physically, but also for your health, it can be really bad. I was using the SPF 30 for a while and then I just decided to bump up to 50 because why not? It has a little bit of that sunscreen scent. It's not like too overwhelming. And I know that a lot of brands will put out like a regular sunscreen like this, and then they'll also have like something called like a City Smart or a City Block, a fluid that's like thinner. I honestly prefer this one because it feels like more of like a heavy duty sunscreen. I think I tried one from Clarins that I really did not like. It broke me out like insane. If you guys have tried this, let me know what you guys think. And also if you have a good sunscreen recommendation for the face, let me know down in the comments. So next up is the Fresh Sea Berry Skin Nutrition Cleansing Oil. So I have used this up entirely, as you can see. So this says you can use 3 to 4 pumps onto dry face and then use a little bit of warm water and it kind of turns into a cleansing milk. So with this one, I liked it, but I don't know if I would like say that I loved it. Like it worked well to remove my makeup, but there was always like maybe 10% of like a little bit of residual eye makeup, like either mascara or liner, that I would end up going in with a cotton pad and eye makeup remover and kind of removing that. So I like makeup cleansing oils in general. I can't say that I found one that's like better than anything else. I'm still on the hunt. I'm still gonna try different products and see which works. I think this works well. Like if you're looking for a cleansing oil and you want something from Sephora, I feel like fresh, this worked perfectly fine. But I'm just saying that I have not found the holy grail cleansing oil. Yeah, if you guys have a cleansing oil that has like changed your life, let us know down in the comments. So next up is the Bath & Body Works Whipped Body Butter Champagne Apple and Honey. This I got in the fall collection, and guys, this smells so delicious. If you can imagine what a Macintosh, like a crispy Macintosh apple tastes like, this is exactly what it smells like. It smells so good. It smells crisp, it smells fresh, it smells sweet, it smells delicious. As you can see, this has been licked clean practically. Whenever I would wear this and anyone would get like kind of close to me, they'd be like, what is your perfume? It smells amazing. And I'd be like, it's Bath & Body Works. Like, I really hope this comes out again next fall because I will be stocking up. Like I will get everything like double, triple in quantity because like this smells so good. So that's why I like using the Dove body wash, because this smells like nothing. It's very plain, it's hydrating, it's moisturizing, and then afterwards you can go in with like this fun, yummy scented body butter and that acts like your perfume. So anyway, I digress. Okay guys, last product. This is the Clinique Pep Start Hydra Rush Moisturizer with SPF 50. This is allergy tested, 100% fragrance free. It hydrates and provides protection from UV rays. Apply prior to sun exposure. So this also has a slight sunscreen smell, not too much, but it's, you know, it's there. I like this product. I don't love it. I feel like I've come to the realization that I would much rather have my sunscreen apart from my moisturizer than mixed in. You can get serums and creams that have active ingredients that are to help repair this, to help do this, and those ingredients are meant to penetrate into layers of your skin. Sunscreen is meant to stay on the top layer of your skin and act as a barrier. So when it's all mixed in together, that makes me think that it's not going to perform as well as it should. I want to make sure that my moisturizers are doing what they're supposed to and that my sunscreen is doing what it's supposed to. If you're someone who has half a minute to get ready in the morning, this would be fine because it would hydrate your skin and it would give you some sun protection. But if you have an extra half minute in the morning, I much prefer to have my cream and then my sunscreen over top. But that's just me in my opinion. But do you guys get what I mean? Like it's almost like when you have shampoo and conditioner that's like 2-in-1, I'm like, it doesn't work. Like it doesn't work for me. I'm like, my hair needs shampoo and conditioner separate. I need like half a gallon of conditioner to detangle my hair every time. Like the 2-in-1 thing is not for me, but it might work for you. And let me know down in the comments if you are a fan of these creams that have sunscreen in them, or are you like me and you prefer to add sunscreen over top. So I think that's all I have for you guys for today. I know this is not super extensive, but these are just the products that I remembered not to throw out and that I want to talk to you guys about. So let us know down in the comments if you have tried any of the products mentioned today, if you love them, if you hate them, if you guys have any products that we talked about today, but you have a better version of, like if you have a cleanser that you think is amazing, let us know also what your favorite Bath and Body Works body butter scent is. Let me know. I would love to find out. So I think that's all I have for you guys for today. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when I post a new video. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. It really does mean the world to me that you take the time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. You could choose a million other people, but you choose me. That means a lot. So on that note, I will say goodbye. I hope you guys have a great Friday. Hope you guys have a good weekend in plan. And I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.